Welcome back everyone. Today we will do part 5th of our chapter food and digestion. But before starting part 5th, we will discuss about part 4th topics which we have done in part 4th. So in part 4th we have done explanation of digestive system, which organs are taking part in digestive system and what functions they are doing in digestive system. And diagram of digestive system, label diagram we have done. So these two things we have done in part 4th. Now I am going to start our part 5th. So in part 5th today we will discuss tips for healthy digestion. Which tips we can use in our daily life and which are very necessary for our healthy digestion, for our proper digestion. First is chew the food well before swallowing it. We should chew our food which we are going to eat, which we are going to swallow. That should be chewed well. Okay, do not overeat. It can cause indigestion. If we are overeating, ज़्यादा overeat means ज़्यादा खाना. It means if we are eating over, then it can cause indigestion. Indigestion means digestion will not be proper and it can cause very much problems in our stomach. After that, wash your hands before and after eating food. Before also and after also. When we are going to eat food, then before and after. In both the conditions, we should wash our hands. Eat your meals at fixed times. You should have fixed time to eat your food. It means that if you are eating at any time, that is bad habit. So avoid this and eat your meals. Meals mean khana. Eat your meals at fixed time only. Avoid eating between meals. Which fixed time for meals you have, only that time you should eat. And between that time you should not eat anything. So avoid eating between meals. Avoid exercising immediately after meal. When you have taken your food and immediately you are going to do exercise, so it is very harmful for your body. So don't do exercise immediately after meal. After that, I will discuss some important definitions with you, which is words to learn in your book. So these 4 definitions are very much important in your chapter. First is nutrient. What is a nutrient? These are useful substances present in the food, like proteins, carbohydrates, fats. Okay. Then balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains all the nutrients, water and roughage in right amount. It means which diet have all things like roughage, nutrients, water. Roughage means salad. Okay, if these all the things are in right amount, proper amount, then it means the diet is balanced diet. After that, food preservation. What is food preservation? Preventing food from getting spoiled. We want to prevent our food from spoilage. So the method which is used to prevent food from getting spoiled, that is known as food preservation. You can keep in mind this name, preservation. Last is digestion. The breaking down of food into simpler form that can be used by the body. Which food we are eating, that is not in simpler form, that is in complex form. So the breaking down, the process in which food is broken down into simpler forms and which can be used by our body, because only simpler form of food we can use for our body for getting energy. So the breaking down of food into simpler forms that can be used by the body is called a digestion. And which parts are here, which organs are here in our body which help in complete digestion. So which organs takes part in digestive system? That are, you can learn again. First is mouth, then food pipe, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, and last part is anus. So learn these all carefully. Write in your notebooks, learn again and do practice of digestive system again and again, so that you can keep these all the things forever in your mind. Thank you.